just realized I need gas. I'm coming down the mountain. Hopefully the way down is much more fuel efficient than the way up. Again, having a CVT is not a good situation in this, because if I let off the gas even on the way down, it slows me down, where a regular bike I could just simply put it in neutral and roll on down, or even just hold my clutch in second or third, whatever, you know, roll right the fuck down. With a CVT, it's always engaged somehow, even on the going downhill. Not a good situation. I don't like it. I will say, it seems to be running pretty good though. For all the weight this little motor has on it, it's doing great. Fertilizer in the sacks, I can smell it. I don't like the smell of that fertilizer. Welcome to Baguyas, wherever Baguyas is. Sang at Kebeng Albubo. Those are the hashtags on that sign. Just out here riding in the mountain provinces. I'm gonna cut this video out here soon because this GoPro's been giving me issues. I I did put a new SD card in just now. I bought it at SM. I don't even remember where the hell I was. Novaliches, maybe? 1,200 pesos. So it's like 20 something dollars. Not exactly cheap. For 128 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme. The one I was using before was a 256, but it keeps giving me issues. I don't know, I think it's the camera and the update. Whatever. We'll figure it out. Make do with what we got. That means the speed limit's 30 kilometers. It's a red circle with a 30 in it. Currently doing 45. I'm sure I'm all right. Not that they have a way to really tell how fast you're going around here anyway. See the guy up there, he's got a jacket on. It is chilly. It is chilly. I just got some polyester pants and shirt. I just got a quick spurt of rain. If it rains, I'm probably gonna pull over, put a jacket on. Hats over there for 100 pesos. Looks like I'm almost to the town. That's gonna have some fuel. There's cabbage up there. Yep, cabbage, right to my right. Growing cabbage. Benguet 2nd District Engineering Office. You can tell it's a government building, for sure. Alright, I'm gonna power this off. I'll catch you later.